In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Webflow in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Webflow or looking to refresh your skills, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and start from the very beginning to set the foundation for an impressive web project. First, Webflow offers a range of pre-built templates to help you kickstart your project. These templates are designed by professionals and can save you a significant amount of time. You want to spend some time in the template marketplace, where you can select a template that best fits your design vision and project requirements. Be mindful of elements like layout, style, and functionality that match what you have in mind for the final product. Now, once you've chosen a template, you'll move to the Designer, which is the heart of Webflow, where you'll build and customize your website. It's important to familiarize yourself with its layout. Take the time to understand key components, such as the navigator and the style panel. Think of these sections as your toolbox. They provide the resources you need to create a stunning and functional site. Next, you'll begin modifying the elements within your chosen template. This is where your creativity truly comes into play. Whether it's changing text, updating images, or choosing new colors, make sure every adjustment aligns with your brand and desired look. Precision pays off here, so feel free to experiment until it feels just right. Webflow is renowned for its ability to design responsively. This means you can ensure that your website looks great on a variety of screen sizes, from desktops to tablets and mobile devices. A responsive design is crucial for user satisfaction in today's multi-device world, so take care to check how your design adapts across different screens. To elevate the user experience, Webflow offers you the ability to incorporate animations and interactions. These can include subtle hover effects or more elaborate page transitions that draw users in and keep them engaged with your content. For those of you working in a team, Webflow supports collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same project seamlessly. Utilize features like page branching and dedicated roles to manage who does what within your team, ensuring a streamlined workflow. Before you launch, a crucial step is to rigorously test your website across different browsers and devices. This will help catch any bugs or inconsistencies. Once you're satisfied that everything functions as it should, you can go ahead and publish your website, making it live for the world to see and interact with. Lastly, never stop learning. Make use of Webflow's extensive library of free video courses and tutorials available on Webflow University. These resources are invaluable in helping you deepen your knowledge and refine your web design skills. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now go ahead and make something amazing with Webflow.